Are you tired of having the same old for dinner every night? Well, I'm going to show you how to kick it up a notch with some yummy, spicy ramen noodles. Let's make it happen. I'm going to show you how to make this ramen noodle broth that is so easy that you're going to make it over and over again. And it's so good, you might even score on date night. Let's check it out. Alright, so while this is simmering, I am just going to prepare my noodles according to the package. We'll get those going. And in the meantime, I am going to get all my fixings. Beautiful thing with ramen is if you want to add shrimp or chicken, beef, pork, it's up to you. There's no limits on what you can do with ramen. Pairing this with the Sapporo. Now the Sapporo Premium Beer is a refreshing lager with a refined flavor and a refreshing and crisp finish. I can't wait to try it. It smells amazing. This is so good. Look at that. Creaminess of the egg just adds so much extra velvety texture. That is so good. Let's try some of the broth itself. That broth is fantastic. It has just the right amount of heat and it's got a little bit of tang at the back of your throat from that rice wine vinegar. It is fantastic. Like I said, it is so easy to do. You're going to make this again and again. Your family's going to be impressed. And as I said earlier, I am pairing this with a Sapporo premium beer. It is a nice refreshing lager, and the brightness of the flavors just cut the heat. So it's not overpowering. It's working very well with it. Now, if you've enjoyed this video, help support me by hitting that thumbs up button and subscribe down below and turn on the bell notifications. That way there, you won't miss out on future content. I want to thank you for hanging out today. This has been Beer, Bros, and Bon Appetit. We'll see you on the next video.